What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today you join me, I've already had it for 2 days, but today you join me with, it's a C7 Corvette. It is maybe a little lame with these weird wheels on it. Honestly, if I owned a C7, which after the last couple C7s I've rented, I've been thinking about if I owned a C7, I would change out the wheels. I kind of like the yellow with the black. If you got some black wheels, I think it would look really good because it's already got like the black headlights, the black grille, the black stripe down the, I think it's really cool, all of the little black accents. So if you got some black wheels, some big wheels, concave wheels I should say, some wide wheels, it would look really cool. This is my car for the weekend. I've already been driving it for 2 days. So you're joining me on my second to last day with the car. And Sean's here. What are you doing? What you doing, buddy?
Just making it at home in a Japanese shop.
Saying it can't be here unless it has those on it.
We're gonna go on a little leisurely
grandpa drive. We're gonna go really slow.
Here on B5.
C7?
C10.
Buddy, stop. He doesn't know Corvettes at all. He goes, hey, what taillights are on these?
In the Z. Said because I'm riding in a Corvette that I have to be incognito and not let people that I'm actually in the Corvette. So.
Think I can make it?
Yep, go for it.
Oh no, that was terrible. It's fine, we're leaving. Holy crap, my butt's on fire. This was such a bad idea. Makes good noises though, huh?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Hey, let's go to a baseball game.
Yeah.
Okay, let's walk.
You know where it has the best parking? Naboriato.
For $20 a parking spot.
Oh, dude, sick. Dude's riding a scooter. Scooter man.
Okay, I'm definitely putting the roof back on when I get back.
Yep, it's hot.
It is so hot. So now we're gonna take someone else for a ride, and I think Sean's gonna get a little clip of outside the car with this camera. So I will see you guys in a second. That's what I had to deal with last night. See, that's it. Done. Bye, buddy. I hope you find your dad. That wasn't planned. Buddy, stop playing around, let's go.
How do you open this?
Push the button.
That's all you gotta do is push it?
Push it and pull on it. Yes. Isaac's back in the vlog.
I'm back. How's it
Say
going?
what's up, guys.
How you doing? How you guys doing? Hope you guys doing good.
I was in the vlog again. His birthday was the one with the cake. Oh, that hasn't happened yet. Oh, just kidding. Ignore that comment. But that is Iowa.
Hi.
Go to 1, buddy. Isaac's about to make a scene because our waiter has not come back at all. Like, at all.
And pita Millar. Isn't it funny?
You didn't even finish your ice cream. Are you
finishing it.
serious?
Hey, eat your broccoli.
That's good, bro.
Kevin, eat your broccoli.
Bye, bro.
Bye. See ya. Don't have too much fun. Be safe. Watch out for cops.
Oh no. Okay, guys, I took a big old chunk out of my thumb. Guys, I dropped Isaac off. I am back home. Thank you everyone who watched this video and watched to this point. If you guys are still watching, I love you. You guys are awesome. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and throw a like on this video. If you like this kind of content, this is the kind of content that my channel has kind of evolved to and has become, is just cars. I am obsessed with cars. I love cars. So I have really been showing a lot of cars and car content on this channel. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Again, thanks for watching, especially if you are at this point, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you later. Bye. You have no color?
Because I'm white.